Got a short position here. I'll be right back. Okay, this trade was called out in advance within my charting service. This is a Newsday entry. Stop set at 49.81. Going for 40 ticks here. For these types of trades, there's no way I can send out a signal for them because they move too fast, and if it goes the other direction, there's no way I can send a signal to go the other direction with it. The only way to do it is to have a trading room or to learn how to do this yourself. That's what I do the charting service for, so that people can learn how to do this themselves. And this is just a basic Newsday entry right here. Already called out in advance within my charting many hours ago, about 10 hours ago almost. Anyway, I will come back. Assuming this trade holds here, which I think it will, 40 ticks should be pretty easy to get. I could probably go for more. I could probably go for 50, 60 ticks off of this one, but I'm just gonna keep it at 40. Anyway, I'll come back. By the way, the news came out, started down here, and shot up 100 ticks. 100 tick move up on the news. Haven't seen it do that in quite some time. So, oil's starting to move here again. So far we have 2 code 1 short entries in place off of a Newsday entry here. So, looking good as far as the code is concerned for it to come on down. But so far the Newsday entry is perfect. It's right where it should be. Exactly. So looks very good for it to come down. Just thinking about going, since it shot up 100 ticks, thinking about going for more ticks here. We'll see. I just realized I placed the stop in the wrong spot. It needs to be at 82, not 81. That 1 tick is very important. You need to place the stop exactly where the code says to place it, because it could go up to that price right there at 81 and hit the stop and then go back down very easily. It does it all the time and not hit the stop. The code is very, 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 very precise, down to the tick. Anyway, come back. If this starts to make a fast drop down, which hopefully it will at some point, it'll come down real hard, I'm gonna go for more ticks. I'm gonna go for 60 ticks on this trade. So I'll be taking it down to 12, which will put it right there on the chart. There's also a good chance that it'll come all the way down and break below this low right here. Oh, there it goes. Okay, let me go ahead, and that's exactly what I was looking for. I'm going to go ahead and change it down to 12. Okay, I'm at 12 for 60 ticks. And should be able to make it, I think. Really good chance of it. Because I believe it'll come at least all the way down to here. And I think it'll probably even break below here. What I'm looking for is, I'm actually looking for it to come all the way down, possibly even, let's see, where is that, 48.40? That's a long ways. Don't think it can go red like that. But look more something like this, with a huge line on it all the way down. Anyway, I'll come back. It just made it down to 32 right there. I'm going to change the exit on this to 22. So we're going to back it up to 50 ticks instead of 60. Anyway, I'll come back. Trade has almost made it here. I'm just going to bail right here and get out. Okay, I'm out of the trade. Alright, so didn't quite make it to where I wanted it to. It probably still will, but I don't want to wait any longer for it. just took forever to come down, but it's probably going to continue to come down. I'd say somewhere down here somewhere. Maybe even a little bit lower. It just depends. Take a look at the daily on it. See, it's snapping back pretty good. Probably snap back a little bit more over here. Can't say how far exactly, but there it's going down right there. Oh well. Okay, so I'm all done, and had a successful day on the Nadex, and another successful day with the oil futures. And for all of you charting subscribers out there, all I did was take the Newsday entry, the first one. The second Newsday entry also worked. So there's two Newsday entries, they both worked. Anyway, I'm going to open up a day trading room. So for all of you oil signal subscribers, you're going to be transferred over to the day trading room, and all of you Nadex subscribers, you can have your choice of staying with the Nadex or coming into the trading room. It's up to you. Anyway, I'm going to go. Happy trading out there. I will see you tomorrow.